Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bastian Chaniago from TI24i. So now I want to show my project about chat server using socket and multi-threading. Okay, before we take a demonstration, better we know about what is socket. So socket is a communication endpoint that allows two programs exchange data over a network. It can be used a client-server communication where R the server listens for requests and the client sends a message. Sockets are foundation of a network communication used in chat application, web, server, multiplayer games, and many other network systems. So in Python, socket can be implementing using the socket library. We can create a server that accepts multiple clients using multi-threading, so each client can send and receive messages simultaneously without blocking others. Okay, next for my from server to Pi. First, I imported my model socket for network communication and tethering to handle multiple client connections simultaneously. And yeah, these ones like global variables, client names, server name. Client stores are active client connection. Client names stores their names, and server running is a flag used to control the server's running state. Okay, this is a broadcast function. The broadcast function sends a message to all connect clients expect sender. If an error occurs, the client connection is closed and removed from the list. Okay, this one is like handle client function. This function is run by a new thread for each client, meaning every client has its own communication path. This one's the server asks for the client's names when they first connect. Then, this one's after that, the server logs the new connections and notifies all other clients that a new member has joined. For this one, while true, like the server consistently receives message from the client in a looping. If the client types exit, they will leave the chats. We will demonstrations after that. Okay, for this one is like server send function. This function allows the server to chat as well, just like the admin in group. If the server type exit, our client will automatically disconnect and the server will shut down. This one start server functions. This is where the server is initialized. We set a host and port, then start listening for incoming connection using socket system. Okay, and additional thread is created to that the server can type message while still serving clients. Okay, looping. Okay, this one each times a new client connects, the server creates a new thread to handle communication with the client. Last is final part. This part ensures that the server runs only when the file is executed directly. Okay, that's all. Next for the client.p. Okay, just like the server, but here we also import sys to safely exit the program. Receive message function. This function consistently listens for messages from the server and displays them on the screen. And this one is send message functions. This function sends message to the server from user input, and the user types exit, the client disconnect and exits the program. Start client function. This is the main function around the client. It connects to the server using the same host and port. Name request. The server requests a name, the client enters the name, and then the server sends a welcome message. Okay, from this one, two threads are created, one for receiving and one for sending message. This allows two-way chatting without interruption. Okay, last, this is the final part for program. The client runs when this file is executed directly. Okay, that's all. Okay, now I will to show you the running program. So the first we have to file server.py and file.py. So okay, let's starting the program. Why? Okay, so the server running on this port, right? So let's start the client or adding client. Okay, cd session 5 itu. Okay, so the program request the name for client, the first client. So I will give my name Dam. So the program will be connect from this port. Okay, I will add the new client for communication again. Okay, this one is going to. Okay, so the server will send the message like, "Hello Bastian, welcome to the room." That will be like, imagine that's like group WhatsApp, right? The admin or the server will send the message, "Hi," and the outline will be show the send from server. Server like this. So that's how the client and the server will be chat together. Oke, contohnya kayak gini. Saya server, saya klien 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 Okay, that's all the program is work, and see you next time. Thank you for attention.